How OpenAI models work. You type a question. A response appears. Clear, relevant, sometimes even helpful. It feels like a conversation, like the system understands what you mean. But underneath that interaction, something else is happening. It is not thinking in the way people do. It is predicting what should come next. So today we are going to walk through how OpenAI models actually work and what is happening between your prompt and the response you see. Chapter 1. What an OpenAI model is. An OpenAI model is a type of artificial intelligence system. It is designed to process and generate language. Instead of following fixed rules, it learns patterns from data. These patterns allow it to produce responses that match the input it receives. Chapter 2. Training on data. The model is trained on large amounts of text data. This includes books, articles, and other written material. During training, it learns how words and phrases relate to each other. It does not memorize everything directly. Instead, it builds a statistical understanding of language. Chapter 3. Tokens and text processing. Before the model processes text, it breaks it into smaller pieces called tokens. Tokens can be words, parts of words, or characters. This allows the model to handle text in a structured way. Each token becomes part of a sequence that the model analyzes. Chapter 4. The transformer architecture. At the core of the model is a structure called a transformer. This architecture is designed to process sequences of tokens. It looks at how each token relates to others in the sequence. This helps the model understand context. The transformer is what allows the system to handle complex language tasks. Chapter 5. Attention mechanism. A key part of the transformer is attention. Attention allows the model to focus on relevant parts of the input. For example, it can connect words that depend on each other. This helps maintain meaning across sentences. It is one reason the responses feel coherent. Chapter 6. Prediction of next tokens. When generating text, the model predicts one token at a time. It looks at the input and previous tokens. Then it estimates which token is most likely to come next. This process repeats until a full response is formed. The output is built step by step. Chapter 7. Fine-tuning and alignment. After initial training, the model may go through additional adjustments. This helps guide its behavior and responses. It is trained to follow instructions and produce useful outputs. This step improves how the model interacts with users. Chapter 8. Handling different tasks. The same model can handle many types of tasks. It can answer questions, summarize text, or generate ideas. This flexibility comes from its training on diverse data. It adapts based on the input it receives. Chapter 9. Limitations. Despite its capabilities, the model has limitations. It does not have true understanding or awareness. It may produce incorrect or incomplete information. It relies entirely on patterns learned during training. Recognizing these limits is important when using it. Chapter 10. Real-time interaction. When you interact with the model, the process happens quickly. Your input is processed, tokens are generated, and a response is returned. This all occurs in a short amount of time. The system is designed to feel responsive and conversational. Chapter 11. Why it feels natural. The model generates text that follows natural language patterns. It mirrors how people write and speak. This creates the impression of understanding. In reality, it is the result of pattern recognition and prediction. Chapter 12. Where it is used. These models are used in many applications. They assist with writing, coding, and information retrieval. They are also integrated into various tools and platforms. Their role continues to expand as the technology develops. To wrap up, OpenAI models work by learning patterns from large datasets and using those patterns to predict text. They process input as tokens and use transformer architectures with attention mechanisms to understand context. Responses are generated one token at a time based on probability. While flexible and useful, they rely on learned patterns rather than true understanding. They represent a powerful approach to language processing built on prediction and structure. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.